So I thought I'd pull this discussion point out into a separate video, mainly because we're talking about intellectual um, wellness here. And so I want you to spend some time thinking about this question and then pop into the discussion board and post up your reply. So consider your role as a student of complementary medicine. How do you believe you engage the mind in creative and stimulating activities to expand your knowledge? Consider motivation and self-regulation in your response. So as a student in CompMed, where is the creativity and where is the stimulation and the motivation and the self-regulation coming from in the course of your studies and your development of intellectual wellness? Have a think about that one, jot down some points, and then pop into the discussion board and post up your reply.